It's a daily necessity, but it's a remarkably dirty one. Our fluffy, comfy pillows that we entrust for 7 to 8 hours at night betray us greatly. A study in the UK showed that a 2-year-old pillow holds up to 200 grams of dead skin, dust mite feces, and half a litre of dried saliva. It's 10 times dirtier than a toilet seat. The hard truth, we sleep on germs and dirt. This results in frequent acne breakouts, sudden asthma and allergies, terrible skin conditions, and disrupted sleep. Large colonies of bacteria are harbouring in your warm bed. If you have skin problems, if your allergies are getting worse, if you're getting sick, it's not you, it's your pillow. Introducing Pillow Hack, the Tesla of pillows. We're taking a health and hygiene approach first, using a 100% breathable and easily washable material based on experts and doctors' recommendations. With revolutionary new clean loop material, this is the new game-changing revolution for your pillow and your health. Pillow Hack features great antibacterial protection, tested and approved by the SGS lab, with the resistant rate to Staphylococcus aureus as high as 99%. Every Pillow Hack is made of 500,000 plus nanogrids that allow for great cleanliness, washability, and comfort. A traditional pillow with insufficient stuffing or stiff material will transform your night's sleep into a nightmare. Pillow Hack's power grid design is good for all sleeping positions. Its innovative cut-through element with advanced central airflow tunnels allows a comfortable, restorative sleep. Your needs are fully solved with our technology and design. What's more, Clean Loop is 100% safe, made from food-safe grade material. Research shows that most pillows are thrown away after 8 to 10 months. And without proper recycling, they are burnt, harming our environment. We love our planet, and we knew that we can't just make something that will be thrown away in less than a year. We've got the modern pillow for over 300 years, but there was little done for its advancement. The common down pillow, memory foam or latex pillow simply can't meet our modern needs for comfort, sleep hygiene and durability. Every Pillow Hack is designed to last for up to 10 years. It can be washed up to 300 times, suggested wash every 2 weeks. We're currently going through a global public health crisis. Our health is vulnerable, but our sleep is our moment to regenerate and gain our powers back. We need your help to support our project and raise awareness on the importance of sleep hygiene. Join us and use the hashtag #HowDirtyIsYourPillow. Heroic Sleep wants to help everyone get a safe and healthy sleep. And Pillow Hack is the answer to that. No more acne breakouts, bad smells, disrupted sleep, greasy skin and allergies. Changing our sleeping habits are hard, but that's where your help comes in. Heroic Sleep was born with one single mission: to bring you a solution to protect your sleep and become your hero when it comes to overcoming this global pandemic. So please, support our project and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.